Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger video call did not answer. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger video call did not answer, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Messenger. When you'll find this page of app and for you will click on force stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again, then you can fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.